Today's podcast episode focuses on a YouTube channel called Simple Mind Space. This channel aims to help people master their money and their minds by providing clear and actionable advice on investing, building wealth, and making smart financial decisions. The host of the podcast dives into the importance of mindset, discipline, and personal growth, showing viewers how to achieve their goals and unlock their full potential. One of the main topics discussed in today's podcast episode is the recent global sell-off in the markets. European and Asian markets have plummeted, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average down by more than 1,000 points. This continuation from Friday's session raises concerns about the weakening labor market and the possibility that the Federal Reserve may have waited too long to take action. The unemployment rate has also increased, adding to concerns that the Fed's interest rates may be too restrictive and affecting consumer spending. The question now is what the Fed should do and how this situation will impact the economy. Mark Zandi, the chief economist of Moody's, suggests that the Fed needs to start moving to avoid a potential recession. The podcast also discusses the tech-heavy NASDAQ, which has been hit hard by the sell-off. Names like Apple and Meta have been affected, and there are various factors contributing to this decline. Some believe that the market was too frothy, leading to a correction. However, investing for the long term means embracing periods of turbulence and maintaining a long-term perspective. The podcast acknowledges the volatility in the markets and emphasizes the importance of staying calm and not overreacting. Congressman Adam Smith, the ranking member of the Armed Services Committee, shares his perspective on the situation. He believes that interest rates should be brought down to address the current economic challenges. In addition to the market sell-off, the podcast touches on the escalating tensions in the Middle East. Iran and Hezbollah have promised to respond to Israeli actions, raising concerns about potential conflict. Congressman Smith emphasizes the need for calm and peace, as well as maintaining a deterrent capability in the region. He believes that a future peace deal and alliances between the U.S., Israel, Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and Jordan are essential for a peaceful outcome. The podcast concludes by discussing the ongoing process of selecting a running mate for Vice President Harris. Congressman Smith expresses his support for Senator Mark Kelly, citing his background as an astronaut and fighter pilot, as well as his work on gun safety. He believes that Kelly brings the right sensibility to the ticket and would be a great addition. In summary, today's podcast episode covers the recent market sell-off, the need for the Federal Reserve to take action, the challenges in the Middle East, and the selection of a running mate for Vice President Harris. The podcast emphasizes the importance of staying calm during market turbulence and maintaining a long-term perspective in investing. It also highlights the need for peace and stability in the Middle East and the significance of selecting a suitable running mate for Vice President Harris.